Comfort doesn't look dangerous. It doesn't destroy your life dramatically. It doesn't bring everything around you crumbling down. What does it do? It keeps you small. You still hit the gym. You still go to work. You look like you're progressing if someone was looking from the outside in. But deep down, you know you're coasting. Most young men today don't suffer collapse. They suffer from comfort. You had food. You had a home. You had opportunity. No crisis happened. And that's why you were never forced to grow. So growth became optional to you. And optional growth creates soft men. Not weak physically, but soft mentally. Comfort feels safe. It protects your ego. It protects your image. It protects you from experiencing failure. When you don't try fully, you never have to find out your limits. And that feels safer than growth. But safety, it's killing your potential. For most of my 20s, I looked disciplined. I posted, I showed up, I hit the gym. From the outside looking in, I looked focused. But the truth, I wasn't building anything that was difficult to me. I was just maintaining what I was good at. I was avoiding bigger responsibility. Yeah, I was telling myself on track, but I was only on track with the things that I knew what I was doing. Really, I was just comfortable. And that comfort did feel calm. It did put me at ease a little bit, but it did not give me peace. Because deep down, I knew it was stagnation. I knew I was staying in the same position. Real growth only started when I introduced controlled discomfort. Looking at myself and thinking, what skills do I need to build? What fear am I not facing? Am I actually putting myself out there and being seen? What structure is not in place? Am I facing my finances or just burying my head in the sand? This didn't look like anything dramatic. I was simply applying pressure to the parts of my life that I needed to face. And in time, comfort started to shrink and capacity started to grow. If, like me, you feel stuck in life but not broken, most likely you're comfortable. I would start by introducing one of these things. Number one, have a hard conversation with yourself. Focus on one area of your life that you need to face. Number two, put in a healthy habit that is going to force you to grow. The gym most likely doesn't count. If it's something that you're naturally good at, pick something that you're not. And number three, pick one thing that is an uncomfortable exposure for you, because I promise when you step out of what is comfortable, that is when you truly learn what you're made of. And if you want to build confidence in anything you want out of life, let's say public speaking, which is what I would like to do in future years, I'm only going to get good at public speaking by practicing public speaking. Recording this video is not going to get me good. It might help slightly, but it's not going to get me good at public speaking. You need a crowd. So find that one thing in your life that maybe you're feeling fear around it. Break it down and just choose one sort of aspect that you can face right now. Take it from me. I'm 30 now. Comfort will not destroy you loudly. What it does, it delays you. And that delay will slowly compound. Don't let comfort steal the man that you could become.